As cyber attacks targeting source codes management systems and CI/CD pipelines increase, securing your DevOps environment is more critical than ever. Attackers exploit misconfigurations, inject malicious code, escalate privileges, and exfiltrate sensitive data, often with devastating consequences. To protect against these threats, Microsoft Defender for Cloud provides DevOps posture management, which is a feature that continuously monitors and strengthens your software supply chain security. Defender for Cloud integrates with your DevOps platforms, including Azure DevOps and GitHub, to identify security weaknesses. Once your DevOps environment is connected, automated security scans run every 24 hours and analyze key components such as builds, secure files and variable groups, service connections, repository and organizations. By continuously scanning these critical DevOps components, Defender for Cloud will help you identify security gaps and enforce best practices to protect against supply chain attacks. To defend against DevOps specific attack techniques, Defender for Cloud enforces posture management controls that align with zero trust security principles. These controls will help you prevent unauthorized access, code injection, and privilege escalation. Let's unpack those controls. Controls like scope secret access limits secret exposure to only the pipeline that need them, which reduce the risk of leaked credentials and lateral movement by attackers. Controls like restricting self-hosted runners and high permission pipelines prevents unauthorized execution by ensuring pipelines use read-only permissions by default and restricting the use of self-hosted runners, which can be exploited to gain control over DevOps resources. Controls like enhanced branch protection enforces strict branch protection rules to prevent malicious code injections and unauthorized modifications to critical repositories. Controls like optimize permissions and secure repositories ensures repositories follow least privilege access, which restrict modifications and enable secret push protection to prevent accidental credential leaks. By implementing these security controls, you significantly reduce your attack surface and build a more resilient DevOps environment. To stay ahead of threats, Defender for Cloud uses the DevOps Threat Matrix, which is a knowledge base built on the MITRE ATT&CK framework. This matrix categorizes common attack techniques used against DevOps environment and will help you identify tactics attackers might use to breach your pipelines. Attackers often start by gaining initial access through compromised credentials, phishing, or exploiting misconfigured repositories. They then execute malicious code in CI/CD pipelines through poison pipeline execution or dependency tampering, injecting harmful code into builds before they reach production. Once inside, attackers try to maintain persistence by modifying repository configurations, creating malicious service accounts, or planting backdoor script in CI/CD pipelines. They may also escalate privileges by extracting secrets from private repositories or accessing cloud metadata services to steal credentials. The final goal is often exfiltrating sensitive data or launching high-impact attacks such as cryptocurrency mining, hijacking your compute resources to mine digital currencies. By understanding these attack patterns, you can take proactive security measures to prevent DevOps threats before they happen. Bottom line, DevOps pipelines are at the core of your software development process. But if they are not secured, they become prime targets for attackers. By leveraging Microsoft Defender for Cloud, you gain continuous security monitoring, automated posture management, and proactive threat detection, all designed to protect your code, pipelines, and infrastructure from cyber threats.